Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen. I have a chicken shawarma going on the vertical beer keg barbecue outside. So I just went to the garden and picked some hot peppers and some mild peppers. Just a range of red peppers, and I also got some garlic. Because today we're going to do a loose interpretation on a red Zug hot sauce to put with our chicken shawarma. So into this blender bowl I'm putting some garlic cloves. No need to chop them up, the food processor is going to do that for us. So these peppers I'm just going to cut off the stem. I'm going to leave them whole and stick those in as well. And I've got these tiny little red ones. These ones are pretty hot. The same sort of thing. I'm just going to take off the stem. I'm going to leave the seeds and everything else inside because we are looking for some heat. And these last two peppers are sweet red peppers. I want them to still give color but to moderate the heat a little bit. The hot sauce, it's meant to be hot, but at the same time I think I'd like a little bit of flavor in there as well to balance it out, because you can get really too hot. So I'm going to juice this lemon and put that into the food processor as well. Lemon juice, salt, and ground cumin. And I'm just going to give this a bit of a whiz. And while that's processing, I'm just going to take a handful of cilantro, cut that out of the bunch, and I'm just going to give it a rough chop before I put it into the food processor. Okay, so while the food processor is still running, I'm going to drizzle in a few tablespoons of olive oil. There we go. So I'm just going to transfer this to a mason jar, and this will keep in the fridge for at least 2 weeks. Okay, so let's give this a taste and see how we did. Just a little bit. I want to make sure it's not too hot. Well, that's good. That is really good. It is super hot, so you're not going to need too much. But with that heat is a lot of flavor. The cilantro, the lemon, the cumin, the garlic, they all come together and give you a real depth, not just that one note hot heat that so many hot sauces have. This is a full depth, flavorful hot sauce. So I'm going to use this on our chicken shawarma. So come on back for that video and check that out. And there's so many other places that you could put this. Almost any meat dish, sandwiches, all kinds of stuff. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon. Really good. So very good.